Hello everyone, Josh Smith here. Just thought I'd do a little vlog or Q&A. I know you can't really see my face, so apologies. I'm sat in my dad's Mushmire Traveller. Just thought I'd do a bit of a Q&A series. So let's get underway. So, people think I'm 18. I wish I was 18. I'd be driving, but no, I'm 15. My birthday's in November, so yeah, I'm 15. Bought my first Mini at 14, and that was in February 2017. Bought a Russet Brown 1978 Mini Clubman Saloon, and my plan was to do that up obviously and rebuild it, but the engine ran in it. Had been sat off the road for 15 years. It didn't drive because the clutch had seized, but the engine ran and it purred lovely. So I bought it because I thought, as long as the engine's working, it'll be alright. Started stripping it down and started a YouTube channel, and that didn't go off and stuff like that. And I just thought, I just stripped it down and found it needed a whole new floor. And for the first time, I was like, nah, this has got to go. So I put it up for sale. The night I put it up for sale, I went to look at I looked at another one on eBay, and I put it on the eBay, the Russet Clubman, on the Saturday, and then the Sunday I went to look at the one I've got now, Rosie, and put a deposit on it then, and then I got it on the 18th of July 2017. I had both of them together for a night. Well, no, it's 2 nights. Then Jamie Webb from down south came for the Clubman, and he's now restoring it and stuff. His dad's got one, and he's got one, and stuff like that. So they've got that now. So then I was left with Rosie. I've owned her 6 months now. 6 months on the 18th, so it's coming up 7 months I've owned the car. It's changed quite a bit in that time, but it's all been outside, so it's been a bit slow. So the garage is gonna, with the car going, the garage is gonna mean that I'll be able to work more on the car and stuff, so that'd be good. Yeah, I'm still at school. I've got 2 more years, and now I'm going into be an electrician hopefully. I've already got someone's offered me apprenticeship already, because they thought I was so old, so hopefully I'll go with them for my apprenticeship. And the car so a bit of a story on the car and what's going to happen. I want it done for 2008. Well, it won't be done this summer, I can guarantee that, because the money's the problem really, getting all the bits, because I've got all the time probably to finish it now for when I got garage, but it's just a respray and stuff like that. So I just thought, I'll bop it on the head for this year. So hopefully maybe November sort of time, November early 2019, we'll get it ready for an MOT, and then the summer of 2019 I'll still be I'll be nearly 17 by then, but I won't be 17. So the point is, I'll be sat in the passenger seat and Dad or Mum will drive me to the shows. But hopefully going to make it to the Bristol, the mini rally in Bristol, maybe London to Brighton. We're going to go all over the country next year in it, and then 2020 I'll be on the road, so then I'll be driving it to all the shows. But next year's going to be a special year, because if we can get it done, then I'll be up and down the country and hopefully meet half of you and get people here and have a bit of a meet and stuff like that. Even though I won't be driving, I'll still be going with the car, and it'll still be my car, whoever drives it. And then over that period I'll make it a bit better and get it ready for the shows for when I'm driving, and get it a bit cleaner. So hopefully this summer we'll get it resprayed, and with the garage going to be ready for the Mini, we're hopefully going to either spray it in the garage like Matt Green did, because I think he did a good job. Or what we'll do is we'll chuck it outside in the marquee and do it outside. I'd rather say I bought that, I built it from scratch, I painted it, I've done everything on that car, rather than saying, the engine went off for someone, and the car went off for someone else, and the welding's been done somewhere else, and the paint's been somewhere else. I'd rather say, if someone came up to me and said, "Have you built that?" I'd be like, "Yeah, I built that. I built that from scratch." That's what I want, and that's what when it's done, that'll be a special day to say, stand there, rev it, and go out in it around town and just see everyone and say, "Yeah, I built that. I made that happen from scratch." So yeah, so that's the plan with that. Look, hopefully, well, I was meant to be working on it today, outside, but it's just tipped it down with rain. So I thought, no, I can't be doing with it this week, because I'm at a critical point of getting underneath to cut out the rear floor, the boot floor anyway, sort out the problems. But I thought, no, I just can't be bothered. So today I've just been working on the Morris Minor, getting ready, and that. And then yeah, it's Bingley Hall tomorrow, so I hope to see you all there. That'd be really good. Meet up. Definitely meeting up with Ben over at Midi Madness at 2 o'clock, and then it sounds like everyone else is coming as well at 2 o'clock. Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. We've got Tom Sherrott going from Total Car Reviews. His dad as well. We've got George Knapp and his sons, I believe. There's going to be a bit of a crew of us. There's probably about 7 of us. I know Paul's going as well, and the DJ SC as well. So I really hope to see you all there. That's going to be amazing for me to meet you all after all this time. Yeah, so tomorrow's Bingley Hall. See you all there. And then next week is what day is it going to be? The 5th, Saturday the 5th, I think, or the 6th. That is when we'll do a big episode. We'll get that boot floor cut out at least, and maybe weld in some panels. We'll get one side done. Don't know. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't know. Can't decide. Yeah, so I know what I'm doing. I've got half the parts now, thanks to everyone who's been helping me out, like Tim the Spanner Man with the engine, and I've got another engine as well, so I've got a choice then. I've got half of the interior now, thanks to Dave Jaguar. Hope to see you in March, I think. March, yeah, that'd be good. And yeah, it's a long old process, but we're getting there. And yeah, I've got all the plans in my head. It's just the money. But I might be getting a Saturday job over at a mini centre, hopefully soon, maybe. But because my age insurance is going to be loads for him, so it might not happen. But yeah, once the mini's in the garage, we're going to be away. We are going to be every weekend doing at least a part. So every week there'll be a new episode to keep you all going. I'm learning, trying to practice my editing as well, because that's shocking. It's letting me down. It's probably why I'm getting all the negatives, to be fair. But we'll carry on. We'll see what happens, see how it goes. Yeah, last night I painted I've got some new ball joints for the front and the hubs. Got the new disc brakes, like the disc brake bit. I'm getting calipers from Dave Jaguar as well, so that means all that's built up. I've got an order. Well, I'm putting in an order soon to Mini Sport to buy all the subframe rubbers, and then that'll be all the rubbers done for the subframes, and that's about everything done then. Painted the gearbox as well yesterday, and the gear selector changer thing as well. Yeah, it's just slow but steady, long old process at the end of the day. Do it nice, do it once and do it right, to be honest. Built, not bought. So yeah, it's only a bit, well, this has been a bit of a long one. It's looking like 9 minutes long now. It's probably going to be 10. But yeah, I really appreciate everyone who's been tuning in so far. I'll see you tomorrow at Bingley Hall, and thank you very much for watching. There's probably not going to be anything until, well, I'm going to record all day Bingley Hall tomorrow, so that'll be the next episode, and that'll be probably next Monday now. So I've got to do homework now, sadly, but that's how school life is. Yeah, so I might be a bit slow over next weekend as well, as the girlfriend's is going in for some surgery, so I've got to be with her and be around for her. Yeah, just got to be around with her for a bit, which will be nice. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please tune in and keep turn notifications on. That'll be really good, so you get to an update of everything that's coming. And yeah, please like and subscribe for more. Please share the video as well to all your friends and mates, and tell your family, friends, everyone what I'm doing and who I am. And I hope to see you all tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, see you after Bingley. Cheers.